Hello guys, welcome to Deep Course, and today in this video we will discuss LeetCode question 2530 that says maximal score after applying k operation. So here we are given an integer array nums and an integer k. You need to apply k operation, and at each operation what you do is you replace nums of I with the ceil value of nums of I divided by 3, and you maintain one score variable, and score is the summation of all nums of I that you take. You need to maximize this score. So, and after each replacement, after each addition to score, you need to replace the number with this operation. Okay, so let us now take a look at this first example. What here the key value is 5. So initially the score is 0. Now let us take the first 10 here. Let me try to show you graphically. Okay, so initially let's say k is equal to 1. So what we did, we choose the maximum of this, we add it to score. Let me take answer as our score plus equal to 10. We select with the maximum, we replace 10 with 10 by 3 and this ceil value. So ceil value is the maximum, so 10 by 3 is 3 point something, so it will give us 4. This is the ceil value, so we replace 10 with 4. Now our array is 4 10 10 10 10, and we apply when we do the same thing for 5 iteration. So for second iteration we again add answer, and with the maximum value we replace the maximum value with its ceil value. So after doing this for 5 iteration, our answer would be 15, and that's the same thing is shown here, that is 15. Now let us take this another example. This is a bit interesting one that will give you more idea. Okay, so initially let's say for k equals to 1, we will add the maximum of this element, that is 10, because we need to maximize the score. So after this operation we will replace 10 by the ceil value of 10 by 3, so that is 4, the 3 3 3. Now for k equals to 2, we will add the next maximum element, that is 4. Now we will replace 4 with 4 divided by 3, that is 1 point something, so it will be 2, that's ceil value. Now for here k is 2. Now for k equals to 3, what we will do, we will simply add 3, because 3 is only the maximum element present. 2 1 3 3. So our total answer would be 10 plus 4 plus 3, that's 17. Okay, so yeah, as you can see it's 17. I hope you guys understood this, that at every stage we are trying to take the maximum element present in the answer. If we change some of the element, then we try to think of the taking of maximum element. So one approach to solve this type of question is, let's say after every updation you sort the array. Okay, you can do sorting and after every operation, but that is not that is also one way, but the better way would be using max heap, right? So max heap will return the maximum element, or the topmost element of this max heap will be the maximum element present, and by changing the value, what we would do is we would pop up the topmost element, we would alter its value by taking n by 3, and we would again push the new value. So I hope you got this, how we would solve this question. So now let's move on to the coding part. Let me initialize the priority queue int max heap. Okay, firstly I will push all the numbers into this max heap from the nums array. Max heap push, and then for key operation what I would do is, let me take one variable long score as 0. So now what I would do is I would take the topmost element from this max heap, or the maximum element in the current array. Let me name is a tps maxHip.top, and I will pop it out, maxHip.pop. Now I would add this top element into the score. Further, I would change the top element to the is sealed value, that is, if TP divided by modulus 3 equals to 0 question mark, then TP divided by 3, else TP divided by 3 plus 1. This means if let's say 10 divided by 3 is 3 point some remainder, 3.33, so this is some remainder. In that case we would simply return 4. Got it? And after altering this element, we would again push it toward heap, right? And that's it. We would return our score variable. Okay, now let us try to submit this. Plus equal to TP what? Undeclared score. Okay. Okay, so our code got accepted. So this was a easy question where if you have thought of maximum heap, then it's easy to solve. Further, this seal function we can calculate it this way, or you can also use the inbuilt seal function that is present in the STL library, but I did it my way. So I hope you understood the question as well as the solution. So if you like the video, do give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.